2017, after witnessing an overturned vehicle careened down an embankment and into a creek, without hesitation, you made your way to the vehicle and assisted the driver. At this point, the driver was entrapped, and as first responders made their way to the vehicle, you remained calm and composed while utilizing your pocket knife to cut the seatbelt away from the driver. As time passed, the driver was freed from the vehicle with your help. Your performance during this incident should be commended and admired by others. In our opinion, you went above and beyond what was expected of you. Subsequently, your quick response and selflessness ensured the well-being of the victim. You showed extreme professionalism and compassion. Your actions serve as an example to us all. Thank you, Savien. It is my distinct pleasure to award you the Savien Commendation and signed by myself, the Sheriff of York County. Hang on 1 second. Yes, sir.
I was with my sister. I was on my way to school at the time, and we seen him, the driver, get hit in the back. He kind of pulled out. He got hit in the back and went off the embankment and flipped and landed on his roof. So I jumped out and I ran over there and I was looking and I was like, oh, how am I gonna get down there? And by that time, y'all's detective at the time came up to me. He was like, don't go down there, it's not safe right now, because it started smoking a little bit. And so I was like, no, I gotta go.
Yeah, right.
So I just jumped down there and then I ran up, because I heard him saying help, so I just go down there and I tried to open his door, but his door was kind of like jammed or locked. He couldn't get it open, so I told him to close his eyes and cover his face, and I kicked the window out, and I couldn't pull him out because his seatbelt was like stuck. So my sister threw me my pocket knife, and I cut his seatbelt open, and then me and the officer, or the detective, helped me get him up the bank.